Hey everyone, Victoria from Credit Fix Solutions with another great success story for client ID 7007 this time. Now this particular client not only was affected by one default, but he also had two accounts with missed payment information on there. He was completely stuck with getting best options for finance. He was completely stuck, and so we happily onboarded him. Within a few weeks, we had not only removed the default, but also amended the missed payment history, which was amazing. Such a great result for him. In fact, his score, get this, went up from 426 to 1020. It's higher than mine and probably higher than most. Don't forget, at Credit Fix Solutions, we offer education, we offer free credit report assessments, we offer in-person and online training if you are in the finance service sector and you believe that you need some more education or guidance on credit reporting and what you should be looking out for. Get in touch with the team. There's CPD points available for FBAA and MFAA members, subject to approval in the time of training. And we also offer a lot of DIY options for consumers. So in this case, our particular client wanted us to do the work on both the default and the missed payments. But often what we'll let consumers know is that they can lodge the complaint themselves in writing to a lender for a lender to investigate missed payment history. Now, out of about 20 reports that we're seeing a day on average, about 10 of those just have missed payments. And so 10 times a day or half of our day, we're just giving out free advice on how those consumers can lodge a complaint themselves. It's not, for example, as complex as running a default removal where you're looking at various sections of legislation, various documents on an account to see if there's grounds to remove the default. It's not like a court action where you need to draft particular orders, you need to get, plaintiffs to sign, defendants to sign, you need to go back to court. With missed payments, unless a bank has made a clear error, they can look at potentially amending it on goodwill basis. And so therefore, it's really only one question that needs to be answered. So we feel that consumers should be able to lodge that themselves. So on most occasions, when we see those cases, we're just letting them know that they can lodge those complaints independently. There's no need to pay money upfront for credit repair services as well. So please ensure that you're only using a service that charges fees if and when they can show you that they are successful with fixing or amending or improving a credit report. Thanks for listening.